Welcome student in my channel. Let us see 1.3 the topic the call of the soil. A scent of rice by Venkat Iyer. What do you do before eating fruits, vegetables brought from market? We generally wash fruits or vegetables which are brought from market. Have you heard of foods adulteration? Yes, I have heard of food adulteration. Let us see what is food adulteration. Food adulteration means addition of impure, unsafe substances to a food item to increase its quantity. So there is the use impure or unsafe substances in the food items. This is the adulteration, food adulterations. We can see in the pictures. There is the to increasing the quantity of watermelon. There is use the impure substances through the medicine. Do you think that grains, vegetables, fruits you buy from market are completely safe and healthy? No, this is not safe. Which we brought fruits or vegetables from the markets, they are not completely safe. Why? Because there is used impures or unsafe substances to increase the quantity of the foods or the fruits or the vegetables. There is used impure substances. Conventional farming in organic farming, so farmers are practicing the use of chemical fertilizers, chemical pesticides to increase their yield. This is creating several hazardous health issues in today's generation. What are the harmful effects of inorganic farming? So let us see the effects of the inorganic farming. Effects on ecosystem. Effects on ecosystems due to the inorganic farming, waterway pollutions, chemical burns to crops, increased air pollutions, acidifications of soil, minerals depletion of soil, harmful effects on human beings due to the inorganic farming. Example disease such as different type of cancer, brain and nervous systems damage, birth defects, infertility, damage to the liver, kidneys, lungs, and other body organs. These are the dangerous effects which on human beings happen due to the adulterations food. Have you heard of organic farming? Organic farming crops are grown by using natural organic fertilizers used in organic farming. Natural organic pesticides and additional seeds are used in organic farming. Organic fertilizers are of organic origin. Examples compost, manures, green manures. These are used in organic farming. Let us see organic fertilizers which is used for the organic farming. Fertilizers derived from animal matter or wastes. Human wastage, vegetables matters, example compost manure, crop residue, earthworm manure, etc. These are the organic fertilizers. See, you can see in the pictures compost green manures. These three pictures in that we can see these are the compost or green manure which is used for the organic farming. Rice varieties available at the greengrocers shop. See, you can see in the picture these varieties of rice available at the greengrocers of basmati, then ambi mohar, columns, jasmines, chinor, indrayani. These are the variety of rice. Two types of seeds: traditional desi variety, hybrid variety. Traditional or desi varieties and hybrid variety. These are the two types of seeds. In agriculture, hybrid seed is produced by cross pollinated plants. Hybrid seed are commonplace in a commercial farming, especially to increase crop yields. See, hybrid seeds are commonplace in commercial farming, especially to increase crop yields. That means to increase the quantity of the fruit, food, or vegetables. The hybrid seeds are used. The call of a soil, a scent of a rice. Let us see by Venkat Iyer. The present text is about the writer's attempts to find a good variety of traditional rice to grow as against the hybrids used by the other farmers. He pursues the matter till he ultimately reaches his goal. The writers propagates organic farming to ensure that the land is not ravaged and laid barren by farmers trying to make a living out of agriculture. See in that text we can see the writers has attempting to finding the good variety in the rice, and he is in search for the traditional rice variety instead of hybrids, and he has successful in the text you have seen. Introduction of the authors: Venkateswaram Venkat Iyer. Venkat Iyer was born in 1966. He has science graduate and a certified project management professional. He worked with IBM in Mumbai as project manager of software implementations for 70 years. Quit his white collar job in 2004. He started organic farming in Pet village in Dahanu Taluka's district, Palghar. He wrote a famous book, Moong Overs Microchips. Venkat Iyer has written the books depicts his journey from a teacher to a farmer, calls it a lifestyle change and not career change. The first crop which he has grown, the Iyer Moong green gram, this he has, we can see in the picture, this crop he has grown. Then second, dense foliage, these vegetables he has grown. Mung pots, you can see in the pictures which type of those, how these mung pots see light fuzz. This is the farms which has the crops which has grown by the Venkat Iyer. Chemical pesticides, can see in the pictures. These are all the chemical pesticides which are used for to spray on the rice. Pest resistant variety, you can see in the pictures. The man is showing to us. This is the pest resistant variety GR4 rice short term variety, short duration crop. Traditional variety, long duration variety. Traditional varieties are the long duration variety. Pest resistant, these traditional varieties doesn't require high inputs of fertilizers, and there is no chemicals in traditional variety. Kasabai rice, Kasbai rice is the long grained traditional rice variety. Distinct aroma it has, so it has scent milder than basmati. It is the long duration crop. The Kasbai rice is the long duration crop. It has disappeared from field market. Farmers have stopped growing it long back. Kasbai rice, for growing this crop, farmers have stopped. The charpai, we can see in that pictures, the man is sitting on that charpai. Farm without fence, you can see in the pictures. What is the farm without fence? There is no fence around that farm. So this is the farm without fence. In the picture we can see there is the Adivasi hamlet. Hamlet, sorry, hamlet not hamlet. Then also Ramsakal's house there is in the picture we can see. And lastly, real people of India who still held on to the rich biodiversity of our land. See, while you have seen in that pictures, we can see in our India now the real people, we can see still they are living in that conditions. However, there is the rich biodiversity in our earth or in our India. We can see the peoples they are living in that condition also. In this way, we have seen the call of the soil by Venkat Iyer. Thank you.